Alright, so the Great Republic Day sale is back on Amazon and there couldn't be a more better time to grab yourself a dash camera. And in this video, I'll be showing you the top 4 dash cams, specifically the mirror dash cams which are available on Amazon right now with some amazing discounts. All these 4 mirror dash cams are totally good, very reliable and should be the one to consider depending on the kind of budget you're having for a mirror dash camera. That being said, mirror dash cams serve two purposes. They provide you a dash cam, basically record the front and the rear of the car, along with giving you a reverse camera view with a large display. So whenever you put the reverse gear on your car, the display pops up with the rear camera view, along with giving you guidelines to assist you while taking your car on the reverse. So if you need all of these features and you want this combo pack within some super cool price ranges, this is the ultimate video which you need to watch right now. Let's not waste any more of your time and jump in straight into the video to show you the top 4 mirror dash cams that you can buy on the Amazon sale right now. You're watching Travel Tech. Let's get started. So starting off the list with the cheapest mirror dash cam that you can get for your car. I've tried this out personally and I'm quite impressed with the kind of value this offers. I'm talking about the DDPAI Mola E3. Yes, this dash cam offers you a 9.35 inch, a close to 10 inch touchscreen display, gives you a quad HD front resolution and a full HD resolution at the rear. This dash cam also gets the latest Type-C port, gets built-in Wi-Fi G sensor and also supports memory cards up to 128 GB. This dash cam, just like any other mirror dash cam, supports parking assist function, which means when you put on the reverse gear, the camera switches to the rear camera view and provides you guidelines or reverse assist lines. That's going to be helpful while taking reverse. All this coming at a price of, guess what, less than 10,000 rupees. And in this Amazon sale, you get some extra discount on this dash cam, bringing the price even lesser. So you should definitely be checking this dash cam out if you don't have a budget of beyond 10,000 and you want to get yourself a mirror dash cam for your car. Moving on to the next best option that's out there, slightly higher than the 10,000 price bracket, coming close to about 16 to 17,000 rupees in a normal sale. But in this Amazon sale, you probably might get this at a much lesser price. I'm talking about the 70mm S500, probably the world's first Starvis 2 back mirror dash camera. Yes, this dash cam gets a quad HD 1944p resolution backed with a Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor. Also gets a full HD rear camera along with a 9.35 inch fully laminated IPS touchscreen. This also gets a G sensor Wi-Fi. This is the first dash cam from 70mm to be based on a super capacitor and also gets voice control. Now I personally love the 70mm S500's display, the touch response and the kind of different various display modes this dash cam offers. You get side by side view, you get picture in picture view, you get the whole camera view being shown on the screen, and even this too offers the rear camera view with reverse guidelines, making this one of the finest dash cams coming under that particular price range. I've extensively tried out the 70mm S500 and I definitely consider to be a worthy dash cam around the price bracket of 15 to 16,000 rupees. So your choice for a mirror dash cam in that budget range should stop at the 70mm S500. That being said, moving on to the next dash cam, the third mirror dash cam in the list, the Wolfbox 840H. Now this dash cam, this mirror dash cam gets a larger display, a 12-inch display compared to the 10-inch which we just spoke about. Along with that, you also get GPS, an external GPS antenna and also a 32 GB memory card right within the box. Along with all this, you get all the standard features which you get in a mirror dash cam, such as the reverse camera assist, the G sensor, the Wi-Fi, the app support and everything else. So if you are someone who is looking to have a GPS on a mirror dash cam and you want a larger display to look at what's happening at the back, the Wolfbox G900 might just be the right choice for you, coming close to the price of about 17 to 18,000 rupees on a normal sale. But in this sale, the price is gonna drop a bit more. So do make sure to check out the Wolfbox G900 along with the S500 if you have a budget range of about 16 to 17,000 rupees. So moving on to the next and probably one of the best mirror dash cams that's available in the world right now. I'm talking about the Wolfbox G900 Pro. Yes, this is the best of the best, the creme de la creme. And this packs a Starvis 2 IMX678, the flagship sensor from Sony, giving you a front 4K resolution. And not only does this camera give you a rear view, it gives you a 2.5K quad HD rear camera. Similar to the 840H, this camera also gets a 12-inch touchscreen, but this gets voice control, GPS, gets a free 128GB memory card, also gets 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and supports memory cards up to 512GB. Although I haven't personally tested out the G900 Pro yet, probably I'll be getting it very soon. The specs, the features this camera offers, and what I can see from the user reviews, this camera looks to be a champ, looks to be a winner in the mirror dashcam segment. So if you're someone who wants specifically a mirror dash camera, front view and a rear view along with reverse camera, and wants to get the best kind of video quality you can extract from a dashcam, just close your eyes and buy the Wolfbox G900 Pro. You cannot get a mirror dashcam that's better than this. Coming close to the price of about 25,000 rupees in normal sales. In this Amazon sale, the price is going to drop a bit more, so do make sure to check down on the description, click on the link and check out the discounted price before you actually make that purchase decision. And if the discounted price seems good to you, seems proper to you, go ahead and buy it right now. It cannot get any better than this. Now, along with the links to all of the cameras which I just mentioned now, I'll provide you the links to the compatible memory cards, their hardware kits and associated accessories as well. So do make sure to check out all of those extra accessories if you're someone who is looking for those as well. So this Amazon sale, this Republic Day sale is the best time to grab yourself a dash cam, grab yourself a reverse camera, mirror dash cam, and along with that save yourself a tremendous amount of money because of those super amazing discounts. Go grab your dash cam right now. That being said, if you like this video and if you like the way I presented this video, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, smash that like button, and also don't go away without hitting the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. If you have any queries or doubts regarding any of these cameras, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and go buy your favorite mirror dash cam.